What's up, traders? My name is Darius and I'm back with a new YouTube video for you. Today we're starting a new week and hopefully your last one was also very good. And yeah, be prepared for this week because I'm going to share with you a lot of analysis, a lot of updates here on YouTube, but also on TradingView. So make sure to check out this page also. And also make sure to be member in our Telegram group. Yeah, if you're one who want to take all my trades that I take, then make sure to check out my inner circle group, because here I'm sharing all my analysis. I'm sharing here all my signals, all the trading setups that I take on my personal account. And as you can see, my last the result of last week was 45%. So that's a total of 389 pips plus 50R almost. Yeah, that's 45% on your trading account. And also CopyFix, we've made 165%. So CopyFix is simply an automated system where all my trades that I take on my account are going to be automatically copy-paste to your trading account. So for all those who just want to be an investor, this is the best choice. And for all those who want to be an independent personal trader, they should definitely join the inner circle group. Okay guys, let's get it started. Let's go straight to our analysis and let's start with the DXY. On the DXY, everything happened like it was predicted. So I was mentioning to you two possibilities. The first one was that we're going to hit this area of supply over here, and as you can see, the market went to the upside, hitting this level, and immediately gave us a reaction to it and went to the downside. Now I'm going to delete those arrows and let's have a deeper look on the DXY. Because as you all know, from a monthly perspective, we got good confirmations that we're going to drop lower. So I'm going to show it to you very quickly in a new chart from a monthly perspective. Exactly, it is because we got this resistance over here, we got this area of supply, okay, and this was a returning point for the DXY. Okay, from here the market started this nice impulsive, then followed by a correction, and right now we are about to continue to move lower. And I also mentioned to you some important key levels, which is this round number over here at 90, and we have another one at 80. So those two key levels are for me my take profit for the DXY. So I want to see the price came into this level, then maybe a redistribution phase, something like this, before we're going to drop down lower. So for us, important is that the market will move at the end till the 80 level, okay? So I'm going to delete quick Telegram, perfect. Okay, then let's have a look on something different on the monthly time frame, and it is this trend line over here, guys. This is super important to understand that we got here this trend line, which we already broke and we already tested it, because this is how it moves. We broke through with an impulsive move. This is super important, and it is followed by a corrective move, which is then the retest. So perfect in alignment to give us the best confirmation that this trend line works like it is about to work, and then boom. Also, if you look to the structure, this was our high, this is a new lower high, this is a new lower low, and then it is followed by this trend line break. So as you can see, a lot of confluences. This is super for our analysis because we got the best confirmation this way. So we want to see on the DXY a drop to the downside, which is not telling us right now if the DXY will came a little bit more to the upside to test something. I mean, after such an impulsive candle, as you can see, this is a big bearish candle, bearish engulfing candle. You want to see always at least a 0.5 retracement. And if we're going to take our fib level, perfect test to the 0.5. So it looks good that we're going to move lower on the DXY. So like I told you now on the daily, it looks like this. We got this trend line over here, and we can view this whole thing over here as correction. And now the market created an equal low. Okay, and this is right now the question. Are we going to break this level right now to create a new lower low? Because then everything is confirmed and everything is super bearish again on the DXY, and then we can simply rock all the other pairs with a nice long to the upside. Okay, so this is the idea right now, but we can still go right now till this level before we're going to move lower, or we can now easily test this level. Okay, so we still got those possibilities, just for you to keep in mind. Okay, long-term view is overall super bearish. Okay, so if you're an investor or if you're a swing trader, then for you absolutely no problem. You can take a long on all other pairs where you've found right now some good possibilities. But if you are a short-term trader, then just keep in mind that we can still go to the upside. Okay, so I'm going to continue now with gold. This was also the analysis that I was sharing with you on TradingView. I was sharing it with you on YouTube and so on, and it is still the same. I'm going just for you to begin with a new clean chart, just to show you what of levels that we have. Okay, because this is right now my target, so this is still good. This analysis, this is still my long-term target on gold, but to understand why, we need to see it from a monthly perspective, because the market started a nice impulsive from this level till this level, and as you can see, we want to see a retracement at least to the 0.32, but we want to see actually gold even lower because we got a strong level over here. And as you can see, this level is exactly between the 0.32 and the 0.5. And this is something which also happened most of the times, because maybe we're going to see something like this, a drop till this level, and the candle will close above the 0.32, which will be then the final confirmation that the 0.32 will be the valid support level, and then we're going to move up higher from the 0.32. So this is simply a possibility which I want to see if it will happen, and if it will happen, then we're going to go straight into nice longs, guys. Okay, so this is the target, and if we're going to switch down to this chart over here, we can see it a little bit better because the market is simply in a corrective way. You can see it like this. This is a bull flag, and when the market will be done with the correction, then we're going to make an impulsive move to the upside. So the continuation of this impulse correction pattern, because this is what the market is giving us right now. So the monthly impulsive, now correction, and then boom, continuation to the upside. This is what we want to see. Now we still have this strong level of support over here, and we still got right now in this area of structure over here, and this structure is actually a swap zone, because previously here it was a nice level of demand, but the price broke through it because we got here big impact by news, and right now we're simply testing the structure, and testing the structure will also retrace to the 0.5. Yes, 0.5, it is what we can definitely expect. And as soon as we're going to test this level, and we're going to get some nice price action confirmation, so shifting momentum in the market, then we can go for a nice short, and then we're going to go first till this level, and second we're going to move till this level over here at 1,800. So just for you to keep in mind, this is our final target. I'm going to delete this level because I'm going to use this round number. Exactly, as you can see, we got over here some nice structure, we got level of demand on the daily, so perfect target for me, to be honest, for this nice gold trade. And this is what I definitely expect. Okay, this is right now my idea on gold. I want to take a nice short from here, take profit number 1 here, and take profit number 2, and right afterwards I'm going to look for some nice longing opportunities to rock gold to the upside. Let's go to EURUSD. And let's start with the monthly time frame, because over here we got the same situation like on gold. We have this nice impulse, but we did not retrace to the 0.382. So we still got right now the possibility that the EURUSD will come down till this level. And in one of my TradingView posts, I talked about EURUSD, where I asked you, do you think that EURUSD is kind of difficult to analyze right now? Because it is super difficult. So the market structure is doing something which I yeah, it looks pretty weird. So just look on the daily. You can spot here thousands of things, but you cannot trade them, okay? Because the first thing I've saw over here, impulse correction, but then the market has given us over here a structure level. Now it broke through it, so it gave us previously a short opportunity. So in the first place, I want to see this long, then I wanted to see this short, and right now we're doing again this. And this is kind of, yeah, difficult right now to analyze, to understand what it is doing. And this is why I'm not trading right now EURUSD, but we can understand everything why it is like this. And it is pretty clear why EURUSD is kind of difficult right now. It is because the market was previously in a big downtrend. Okay, so you need to understand that since 2018, the hedge funds were simply just shorting EURUSD, and then suddenly they started this huge impulsive to the upside. Okay, so they shifted from having a lot of short positions opened to having a lot of long positions opened. Now, right now, they want simply to close some of their profits in order to, ensure profits, and then to take again a long opportunity to rock EURUSD to the upside. Now, the thing is that they do not have the liquidity getting filled. And why is it? Is because they are doing now the structure in order to get it. So this is the simply answer right now. They do not have right now the liquidity to close it. Therefore, they are providing some weird structure to trap a lot of retail traders and so on. And this is why the market looks right now so complicated. But what we can still see is right now that from a monthly perspective, we want to see EURUSD coming lower. Okay, so we want to see that EURUSD will come down to 1.15. Okay, this is our first target. And then we can expect definitely some pushes to the upside. We got right now also strong level of support over here, strong level of resistance over here, as you can see. And right now we also got one over here. So for me right now, interested is if the market will push up higher to take a short from there to the downside. Maybe we're going to move up then again till this level, and as soon as we are going to break this level, then I see the market moving that low. Okay, so I do not expect that we're going to go higher on EURUSD, but I expect that we're going to go lower. And this is my only idea that I got right now in EURUSD, and I will not trade it otherwise. I will only trade it if the market will give us over here a nice price action confirmation, a big bearish engulfing, for example, something like this on the daily time frame. Yeah, I mean, if we are switching down to the weekly, as you can see, this is indecision. This candle could be actually kind of a confirmation for bearish momentum, but yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, monthly is not closed yet. 4 hours, also the same thing. So maybe we're going to get a nice short from this resistance. Okay, looks like this. But let's go to a pair where everything is more clearly, and it's GBPUSD. So quick reminder: support, resistance, demand, W formation, works like that. We already retraced to the 0.618. We already started the next impulse to the upside. We want to get a completion to it. The target of this completion is over here. Okay, then we got impulse, correction. Sorry, we got impulse, correction, impulse. Okay. And this was resistance. This is why the market also gave us a short. And now we want to see the completion. Weekly looks pretty good. We got only, bullish structure, as you can see. So higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And now on the weekly, we got something very interesting. It is this pin bar over here. It is a pin bar, which is a bullish one, and it is one where we want to see the market fill in the week. So we can definitely expect this week that this weekly candle will fill this week. So we can definitely put our take profit at least till this area. So if we're switching now to the daily, it is exactly there. We can definitely expect this. Why? Because This pin bar is a result of an impulse correction on the lower time frame. Look down on the daily. This is what we can see. We can see that the market started impulse correction, and then exactly here the market closed. The candle. Sorry, it closed the candle over here. But this gave us this shape of a pin bar, okay? And this is why after impulse correction you want these candles to fill in the next the wick, okay, in order to see the continuation, because you want to see this, okay? So this is why we want to see at least that the price will came to this level, but even higher, okay? And now let's go down to the daily. On the daily we spoke about GBPUSD when we were at this nice area of supply. The market gave us this nice short opportunity to the downside, and it retraced exactly to the 0.5. So this is the impulse 0.5, and we also got here over here previous resistance, which is turned right now support. So perfect confluence. And right now we simply just do expect that the price will came in the first place till this level, and then even higher, because we got over here strong level of resistance. Okay, this is in resistance area, and we want to see the market came in this area, and then the impulse correction impulse pattern will be finished, and we are at our first target from the higher time frames, because long term we want to see to go to 1.40. GBPJPY looks exactly the same on the higher time frames. Okay, so just let me open a quick new chart. So the only difference is that we have a trendline resistance, but also over here we got this W. The market gave us a test to this neckline area, and we want to see continuation to the upside. So 150 will be a target, 144 will be a target. So just mapping out for you. This is one of my targets, and this is my second target is over here. And maybe also this one. This one is also very interesting, 55, sorry, because it is a strong level of supply from this area and also resistance. So this is a historical level as well. So we want to see in the long term that the market will came first over here, then over here, and then over here. Okay, this is the idea. And switching now to the daily time frame, we can also identify that the market has provided us over here a nice W formation. It gave us a retracement to the 0.5, and right now it is about to continue to move up higher to complete this impulse correction impulse pattern. So this is definitely our target. Also from a weekly we got a huge W formation, and as you can see the market gave us over here a big wick, and also this one is one which we want to see that the market will fill in the wick, okay, and it will give us then the take profit level again till this area of supply on the daily. And we have good probabilities that we're going to come till this level or maybe a little bit higher. So I will definitely recommend you to close your positions over here. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. This was today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will update you then definitely also on TradingView the next few days. See you guys, bye bye, have a good trading week.